as you can hear, that ain't loud enough for our standards. We need to get this Lamborghini in the workshop, give it some Deutsch exhaust, and let's get it loud. Bang!
Right guys, so we have Jordan from Slammed. His Lambo's in today. He hasn't had this for too long, but he's covered some mileage in it now. But now he's done that mileage, he's decided it's too quiet for him now. So we're going to build him a catback exhaust, completely straight piped, and bring out the noise in this V10.
Exhausted, mate, exhausted.
Right guys, so that's the Lambo all stripped down now to where I need it to be. I've got Lambo bits everywhere, bits behind the cameraman here. So it's literally just a case of fabbing everything up, tacking it, making sure I'm happy, weld it all up, put it all back together. Just need to change the rear bulb, brake lights up.
Oh shit. Yeah. All this work to brake light bulb?
Yeah man.
There's a bad man's feet you'd get.
Right guys, so that is the Lambo all done now, all put back together. Never to see the exhaust again, so we'll give you a quick clip of what it sounds like. Right guys, I think that sounds pretty sick. Let us know what you think in the comments, but realistically, it only really matters what the customer thinks. So let's go see what he thinks.
sounded unbelievable.
That's to see it with the grill. Just about to it.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can see it coming out the side.
Yeah. By the time you get home, that'll be all gold.
Yeah, once it's warm. First drive. Very excited. Was he in sport yet? Fucking hell, that's loud. Those crackles are so loud. That is sick. I go through the tunnel or turn around?
Yeah, tunnel, yeah, you got to do a tunnel run anyway.
Those crackles are madness. That is fun. She's loud. Oh, that's good. Yeah, man, sick. Couldn't be happier.